Welcome back to the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Northwest Cape Coral, and I have this beautiful home here to show you. It's amazing. Wait until you see the view from the second floor. You're gonna be amazed. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about the home. As you can see, it has a 3-car garage, 3,422 feet on the air, so it's a very big home. Has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 1 half bath, and it's amazing inside. So if you like luxury and you like the good living, this home may be for you. So let's go ahead and take a look. Check out this beautiful home here. Its Gulf axis is right on the spreader, so you got a lot of boat traffic going back and forth. So a lot of people enjoy that. Okay. I came over here to do one of my open house videos, so check this beautiful home out and check out the view that it has outside. But first, let's start with the master bedroom. Then we'll move into the second floor, and wait until you see the balcony view of that preserve that it has back there. You're gonna be amazed, okay? So let's start first with a master bedroom. Okay, master bedroom is all the way at the end there. But first, let's stop over here and check out the master bathroom first. You can see very beautiful and detailed cabinets. So that's a towel closet. Beautiful tub. Very bright. Check out the shower. It's a nice bench. You have your rain pan from the top. And over here, you got your toilet closet with a window. A lot of you guys like the window. And over here you got your walk-in closet. That's one of them. There's 2 of them. Just head over here. Tell me what you think about this layout in the comments below, please. Over here, here's this closet number 2. And check out the master bedroom. Look at that. Check out the view. Stand over here in the corner. That view, it's amazing. Let me show you a peek of it. The beautiful view of the pool and the beautiful, it's the spreader actually, so it's no bridges, and it's just have a lot of traffic because all the boats that are around this area, they have to go through there. So maybe we'll see a couple boats pass by while I'm doing the video. Okay, so let me move around here so I'll show you for this angle, this master bedroom. Nice. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the living room, the kitchen, and then we'll go outside to the pool area. Okay, and we have to do the second floor. Don't forget the view from the second floor. Okay, over here you got the dining room, plenty of space. Look at that big dining room area. Over here you got your living room. Okay, check out nice electric fireplace there. But what's amazing, I don't know if the camera's doing any justice, is the view that you have from outside. Wait until we go outside. Okay, over here's the kitchen. Check it out. And over here you got, they set this up as a sitting area, but you can have your dinette over here if you want. Okay, and check out how everything opens up to the beautiful view of the canal. Okay, now let's go ahead. You got your KitchenAid ovens. There's your dishwasher, your sink. As you can see, you're standing right here in the middle of the kitchen, and you can see almost everything that's going on all the way around you. So if you would like to entertain people, this could be a nice home for that. And then over here, you got this farm door that leads out to this area here where you can store your wine. And check out the barn door, how cool. And then over here to my right, you have the laundry room. And check out the size of this laundry room. You even have space for a refrigerator there. And you got a sink, your wash and dryer, and plenty of space to fold your clothes. Very big laundry room. And then over here, you go out to your 3-car garage. And you do have a door that leads to the side. So that's very good to have, so that way you can actually take out the trash. Okay, let's go back and show you this range here over here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the second floor, okay? And the other rooms, this side over here. Okay, so now let's go up this way. Here you have a closet. Put a lot of shelves there. Over here you got, let's call this bedroom number 2. Since we did the master already, very nice size, big size, also with a nice window there that brings a lot of brightness inside. And it also has a beautiful view from here, from the spreader and the pool. So 2 bonus rooms, you have beautiful views here. Check out the view. Okay, so now over here, this is your pool bath, and also it works as a bath for this room, okay? Check it out. Check out the nice, beautiful, just beautiful shower, okay? And here you got your door that leads out to the pool. And over here we got a pocket door that separates this room from the bathroom. Okay, so let's take another angle look from here. Okay, remember, I forgot to say at the beginning, if you'd like to know the price, feel free to scan the barcode on the screen or go on the description below. Okay, that will give you the full report with the price and status of this property. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at here at half a bath. This is your guest bathroom. Okay, you have your nice vanity there with your toilet. So no shower here because this is the half a bath. Let's keep going. We're here, this is the stairwell we're gonna go in a little while to go to the second floor. And over here, this is a bedroom number 3. And as you can see, big size bedroom with actually got 2 beds here. So real nice. Also, you have a nice walk-in closet. Let me go back so you can see the barn door. Okay, check out the bed. And wait till you see inside the closet. Check this out, what they did here. They used the stairwell, you know, stairs going up. They use it for closet, and also you could use it down here to store more stuff. So that was a pretty good idea of using all this space. And it also comes with its own bathroom. So check out this shower. Okay, now we're going upstairs. Okay, while we're going up, I want to just tell you that, remember, if you're looking to buy a home here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers area, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. You can call us on this house or any house out there that you're looking for. We can help you out, okay? And please, if you're looking for a home, a specific style or home or something, just let me know in the comments to see if I could find one new construction and can film it for you, okay? I'm trying to do a lot of new videos coming for the next year, so I'm looking for ideas of styles of homes that you guys want me to film. Okay, this is a surprise, and I wanted to show you from up here. This is like a bonus room, and check out this bonus room here. Look at the ceiling. We gotta start from the top. Okay, and this bonus room has a view. Check this out. This is what Florida living it's all about. That's a preserve, so you're not gonna have anything there. And it's just beautiful. And it's a pretty good size balcony here. Check this out, it's really nice size. And just think about it, you could just come out, listen to the wildlife. Can't see where the bird's coming from, but I don't know if those two in the water there. But there's a lot of wildlife that you could actually see here. You know, you could just sit out here and just look at it. So, golden eagles and a lot of different type of birds. And I mean, it's a preserve, so you can see almost anything there. So let's go ahead and continue with the tour here. Let me know what you thought about that view. Okay, now, so like I was saying, the bonus room over here. Let me get over here so you get an idea of the size of this beautiful room. Okay, let's keep going. And on the other side, okay, this is a bathroom up here. It's probably bathroom number 4. Full bath, number 4, and you can see you have let me turn on the light over there. You got a nice shower. And then over here, you got bedroom number 4. Check it out. Okay, so let's go ahead up down the stairs. And go outside and check out the pool area and the outdoor kitchen. The nice thing about this home is like those sliders, look how they hide behind the walls. So you have a real open space here, okay? The outside becomes like part of the inside. And during the winter months here in Cape Coral, it's such a nice weather that you could leave it open like this. Right now, it's probably like 75 degrees, 74 degrees, and it's not humid, so it's really nice out here today. Okay. Most of our winters, they're very, the temperature ranges, you know, in the 70s, maybe mid 80s. So it's nice. Only we get a couple of days that we get a couple of cold fronts that the temperature does drop to the 40s. But by the afternoon, they're already probably in the 50s or 60s. Those are when we get cold fronts. But after the cold front passes, we go back to a regular nice weather. So check out the outdoor kitchen here. You got your barbecue here, nice vent, and nice TV there. All these drawers, refrigerator, and your sink, and plenty of outlets. Okay, and this all area here that you can just hang out and relax. Check out on this side, so big. You have a very nice area here. Check out how this table, you know, that sits 8 fits here. Those 2 sliders there that would lead to that bedroom that I showed you before, and that's the door that leads you to the bathroom, to the pool bath. Okay, now let's stand on this corner here so you can see this humongous area here. Check out that pool. You got your spa. And over here you even have space to put a nice ping pong table over here. Well, now let's go outside and take a look at the canal a little bit closer. Well, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, please feel free to hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more videos like this of open houses that I'm going to be doing, and also going to be continue doing my regular weekly videos. So, but I'm going to be putting a little bit more videos. Oh, wow, what a big fish. God, I should have got that one. It's just jumped right there. It was nice. I got to see it, but oh, look, nice bird over there. Well, you should have seen that fish there. Oh, I should have looked down first. But that's the nice thing about living here. You could see a lot of different types of fish and wildlife. Oh, look, maybe you could see those down there. Those are like an angelfish. Pretty big size, probably they're like a foot. I don't know if the video is doing any justice, but see if they get any closer. So you can see them, there's actually two of them right there. Well, this is the back of it. Check out how nice. And with a beautiful preserve over there. So, like I was saying before, if you're looking for a home here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been selling real estate here for over 24 years, and we can help you out. We have helped a lot of YouTube subscribers, and we're pressure free. So give us a call and let us know what you're looking for.